Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the heart of Houston. We are close to downtown. When I say close to downtown, you can actually walk or bike ride downtown. This beautiful home is actually located in the Rice/Museum District. It is built by Home Art Homes, and it is in the community of Crawford Place at Museum District. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, little over 2,000 square feet. And get this, the starting price is less than $600,000. And remember, when it comes to smaller builders, they're more flexible and willing to give you discounts as seller incentives. So that could help you a lot with your monthly payment. If you have any questions regarding this builder, real estate, or anything at all, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer the questions for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Oh, I almost forgot to mention the great schools this home is located in. The schools are going to be in the HISD district. They're going to be McGregor Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Lamar High School. Now, if none of those are to your liking, the good thing about this location is that you have plenty of private and Montessori schools to choose from. So once again, enjoy the tour.